Hey, join me while we factor the following polynomial. First, when factoring, you want to look at the GCF, the greatest common factor. And that's a little deceiving because you actually want to go with the smallest of the two numbers. So 3 and 15, the largest number that divides evenly into both of those is 3. So the greatest common factor there would be 3. Now let's look at our variables, x to the fourth and x cubed. We look at the 4 and the 3, the exponents, and you're going to take the smaller of the two. So x to the third would be the greatest common factor. Now we're going to look at y squared and y cubed. Again, you're going to look at the exponents. 2 is smaller than 3, so the GCF there would be y squared. Now we can move on to writing our factors. Your GCF is actually your first factor. So 3x cubed y squared will be my factor. And now I need to find the rest. Factoring is a fancy word for dividing, and so that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to look at the first term in the original problem, 3x to the fourth y squared. So 3 divided by 3 gives me 1. So like I said, factoring is dividing. X to the fourth divided by x cubed. Division with exponents means you subtract them, so 4 minus 3 is 1. And then y squared divided by y squared simplifies to just 0, so we have no more y term. Now moving on to the second term. 15 divided by 3 gives me 5. And now x cubed divided by x cubed. Subtracting those exponents gives me 0, and we don't have to write it. Y cubed divided by y squared. 3 minus 2 gives me 1, so now I have 5y. And now you have both of your factors. We found our GCF first, and it turns out the GCF is our first factor, and then we use division to find the other factor. I hope this helps, and be sure to check back later for more.